How to have your iPhone announce who is calling you. Let's jump right into the steps. So there is a feature in iPhone which announces who is calling you when you have saved their names and number in your contact. So how to enable it? Let's jump into the video. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. As you do that, you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on Phone. Here you want to go ahead and tap on Announce Calls, that is the fourth option from the very top. Now you can see there are various options. When you put to Never, your phone will not announce who is calling you ever. And when you put it to Always, it will announce who is calling you all the time. It is really helpful when you are away from the phone. You can also put to Headphones Only, and what it does is it will announce who is calling you only when you have headphones on, and you can put it to Headphones and Car. For now, what I want to do is I want to put it to Always, so that every time someone calls me from my contact, my iPhone will announce who is calling me. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.